In this short tutorial, you will learn how to turn off SafeSearch on your Android device. SafeSearch helps to filter out adult content when you are searching on the internet. Sometimes, you may want to turn it off to see all types of search results. This is easy to do and only takes a few seconds. To get started, open up the Google app on your Android device. You will find a small profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it. Next, look for the Settings option and select it. After that, tap Privacy and Safety. Here, you will see the SafeSearch option at the bottom of the list. Tap on it to continue. To turn off SafeSearch, simply choose the Off option from the choices available. This will allow you to see all relevant search results, even those that may contain explicit content. Remember that this change applies to your Google account. This means when you use other browsers like Google Chrome while logged into your Google account, SafeSearch will remain turned off there as well. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.